Greetings, everyone. I greet you all. My name is Abaroma Ozamiri. Today's affirmation is I will not die, but I will live long to fulfill my destiny. I thereby cancel accidents and untimely death for all of us this season. And as I declare, so shall it be. Ise, Ise, Ise. Now, our topic for today is the benefit of spiritual consultation, the importance of spiritual consultation. That is what we are about to discuss today. Remember, guys, remember our crossover night for the new year is on 31st of December. So we'll start collecting names and prayer requests as from 26th of December. So you can send us your name and your prayer request from 26th to 30th. After 30th, we'll stop. So you are not required to bring any money unless you just want to give, you just want to donate, but you are not being charged for the crossover ritual or prayer. So please join us on time. Send us your name and your request on time before 31st. As from 26th, we start receiving prayer requests. Now back to the topic, the importance of spiritual reading or spiritual consultation. A lot of people, a lot of people, they don't even believe in all these things. But then let whatever you believe in work for you. But there are things that must work whether you believe in it or not. One thing about spiritual reading, even as I am now, I still go to some people to consult, to check my way, to check my life, to check my business, and to check how things will be with me in future. I go to check. But you know that there are people that have the gift of revelation. There are people that have the gift of vision, that whenever they close their eyes, something will be shown to them. Or even while they are sitting, voice speak to them. If it doesn't happen to you, then that does not mean that it is not real. It is very, very real. Message can come to you through those means, through your dream, through your intuition, through your imagination, through your trance, and the rest of them. Messages can come to you. But like my people say, that a seer does not see all for him or herself. So that is why even spiritual people like myself, sometimes we go out to ask questions concerning our lives. We go out to make inquiry. Is there any unforeseen danger in our lives and all that? Now, what I mean by the kind of spiritual consultation I'm talking about is not the one that we do online here. Yes, because the one we do online here will not be deep. It won't go deep. The person will be concentrating on the particular question that you asked to provide answers on that particular question. But if you take your time to visit a seer, trust me, you'll be shocked. Trust me, a lot that you don't even know that is going on in your life, you'll find out, unless that person is not gifted for that. Do you understand me? You will see that, you will even get to find out that little thing is causing you a lot in your life. The reason it is important to go for spiritual reading whenever you want to do something is that it helps you to be able to know, okay, this is what I'm likely to see in this business I want to invest. If I go for this journey, I might have accident. Okay, but okay, if I must go, this is what I need to do so that the road can be clear. You understand? It lifts a lot of bad things out. Do you understand me? I have seen a lot of people that went for reading, maybe it's all about individual difference. When you meet someone who is sincere with his work or with her work. That person will tell you the truth that he or she know. Not minding how much you want to pay, the person will tell you the truth. The person will tell you the truth. So spiritual consultation helps you to find out about things that is about to happen, because a lot of things before they happen to you physically, already the thing have been in existence in the spirit realm for like months or weeks before that thing will start manifesting physically. So if you go to spiritual consultation, those conditions that are not fair, that the enemies have positioned for you to fall into, it will be revealed. And what you need to do to come out or to jump out of that situation will be provided for you. If not, you will continue to say that all this thing doesn't work and calamities will continue to befall, and you keep blaming your village people. Like some people say that there is no power in juju, there is no power in all this, there is no power in all that. Yet you go to the church to pray against your village people. You go to the church to pray against your uncle that you feel that is using juju on you. So if you believe that there is no power in all these things, why are you praying against it? The reason you are praying against it is because these things, they are actually working. They are working. So, like some people, when they want to get married, I just like her, instead of going to check from this side, check from this side, compare the result. Do you understand me? You are not a tree. If they are doing some readings for you, you know the truth. You know the some of you know the some of you already saw something concerning their condition, but they just needed confirmation. So even if you go to where they are telling you lies, some people, when they want to get married, oh, she have big waist, oh, she's beautiful, oh, he's handsome, oh, he's rich, oh, he takes care of me. That is what they will be concerned about. You don't want to check the spiritual compatibility of that person and yours. You don't want to check if there is any spirit with that person that may attack your marriage in future, that may cause you to have divorce. You don't want to check if that person in their lineage, do they have the spirit of short life in their lineage? You don't check all those things. All you want is that he's handsome, he's beautiful. You do not check if truly you can succeed in this marriage. You just jump in. Or maybe you prefer asking people around, hey, this is my boyfriend, he's your neighbor, or this man that wants to marry me is your neighbor. How is the family? That is what we do. At the end of the day, we jump into the relationship and we see ourselves coming out of the relationship because we don't ask the proper question. Some of us will ask proper question and get answers, but will not do the right thing, will not do the thing. And you will think that just because you have consulted, that you have you already have this. No. Solution can come when you carry out the exercise that you are being instructed to do. If they tell you that if you travel, you will experience accident, for example, as long as you are doing it for the good cause, okay, and you go and they say, okay, go to the motherless baby, go and do this, or go do this, do that, and you do it. That is your own part that you have done. And there is 90% possibility of you having change and good result in that condition. But if they say, okay, if you go to this CR and the person tell you, oh, there is death, oh, there is accident, there is this, there is that, there is miscarriage, there is misfortune, and certain thing is being raised up for you to do to avert that condition, and you refuse to do it, you go to another person and say, hey, is this thing, check from, and the person will still tell you the same thing. Even if you check till next year, that thing will still be there until that thing happens, or until you do what you are supposed to do. So it is important to inquire. We do some spiritual reading and we follow up with the solution immediately. Even if you don't have the money to do it, ask the person, is there any little thing I can do to avert this thing? I don't have money to do this big one. There is. There is something that you can do. There is something that you can do. If you have any question, please, you direct it inbox. Thank you so much and remain blessed. Bye for now.